Steve here with AutoNation Toyota. It's Thursday. I'm going to give you a little rundown on that Camry sitting right there. First of all, it's a 2022 XSE Camry with the panoramic roof. This model has the black accent, so it's got the black lip spoiler there. Of course, you've got these nice rims that are on it, the black rims, and then also the color matching black on the mirrors. And then on the front of the car, you've got some black accents as well. The black leather interior really sets this car off. It really looks nice on the inside. This car has built-in HomeLink in the rear view mirror. Whenever you start up the new Camrys, they give you this nice little welcome to your Camry in the informational display center. I can see the blind spot monitor already, and the rear cross traffic alert is active on there. Now that center informational display is actually controlled by the buttons on the steering column here. So when I push this button, I can look at all different kinds of information that's in here on this car. Settings, I can set the sensitivity on the collision systems and all that. And then also I can go back and just go to get the digital speedometer. Now also, if I go on the side, there's other information, economy information, when I fill up my tank, and there's all that's inside this onboard computer. On the left side of your steering wheel, you've got automatic high beams. You can turn your traction control off. Of course, open up your trunk, and then your gas for opening up to fill that up on the side too. Your light stock has a switch for auto, which I really like, or you can turn your daytime running lights off, or just turn on your parking lights or your headlights. On the right side of your steering wheel, you've got your cruise control features, and then you can set your dynamic radar cruise control distance on that top button. You can also turn on and off your lane departure alert. And then on the bottom there, you can go from your radio modes, AM, FM, XM, whatever you want to listen to, or switch to the next song on the buttons next to it. What's really nice on all these radios now with Toyota, they all come with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, but they also have their internal system if you don't have a cord with you. But the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto give you the maps in all these cars now. Your AC unit features dual controls. You can also sync them up so the driver, if he's alone in the car, can just set it to one temperature for the entire car. Below that, you've got a USB port there. That's how you plug in for the Apple CarPlay. There's also a power plug there. And then below that, you've got the wireless Qi charging pad too. And if you push it, you can open it up to a little secret compartment there. You push it to open it, and then you also push it to close it. On your shifter, you'll see that little S mode. No, it does not stand for sport mode. It actually stands for sequential shift, which is where you can use these pedal shifters. Below your shifter, you've got 3 driving modes, and you also have your park, brake, hold button. So if you'd like to take your foot off of the gas when you're at a stoplight, you can set that park, brake, hold button, and your car won't go anywhere until you put your foot back on the gas. Of course, these leather seats are heated, which is a feature we probably rarely use here in Las Vegas. The panel up above your head, you'll have the controls for that panoramic moonroof, as well as the controls for the LED cabin lights. And also the Safety Connect is also up there, so if you should run into trouble and need a little bit of help, Toyota's here to help you. Your passengers in the back seat will be comfortable. Toyota thought about them and put in these rear vents and gave them plenty of legroom. Finally, this Camry is certified, so it does come with the 12-month, 12,000 mile warranty, or the 7-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's only got 8,000 miles on it. This car is barely used. If you're so inclined, come on down and drive it. 2022 XSE 4-cylinder Camry.